Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram try another device to continue problem on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the problem and you are seeing the error on your Instagram try another device to continue your problem on your Android, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just open the Google Play Store, then tap on the search in the bottom. After that, you need to tap on the search, then find Instagram. If there is any pending update for your Instagram, just tap on update and wait for completion of this update. After completing this update, what you have to do, you have to just tap on the settings. After tapping the settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, then tap on see all apps. After that, tap on the search, then find Instagram. Tap on the Instagram. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you will find storage and cache. Tap on this. Once tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear storage. Before tapping this clear storage or before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Means when you tap on delete, your Instagram account will be logged out. If you know your Instagram user ID and password, you can just try this method. And if you don't know your Instagram user ID and password, then don't try this method, because after doing this, all your Instagram will be resetted. After that, tap on delete, then go back. Then once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting, then open your Instagram app, then log in with your user ID and password. After login, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can try another device to continue your problem on your Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.